Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Vanguard for portfolio tax reporting, beginner guide step by step clearly. Go to the Vanguard website in your web browser. If you don't have a Vanguard account yet, click on the Open an Account button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password for your account. Once you have completed the form, click on Continue. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your email for a verification link. Click the link in your email to confirm your address. Return to the Vanguard website and log in to your new account. If you already have an account, click on Log In at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and click the Login button. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section of the dashboard. Click on Tax Center or Tax Reporting from the available options. Locate the subsection for Portfolio Tax Reporting. Review any available tools and resources to assist with tax reporting. You may need to specify the accounts you want to report on if you have multiple. Check for any forms or documents related to your portfolio. Select the relevant year for your tax reporting. Download or view any necessary tax documents provided by Vanguard. If you need additional help, look for FAQs or contact Vanguard's customer support. Make sure to keep your tax documents secure and accessible for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.